Changing your legal name in Alberta involves a structured process to ensure all legal requirements are met. Below is an expanded guide detailing each step, including specific considerations and additional resources. Description summary. Considering a legal name change in Alberta, this detailed guide walks you through eligibility criteria, application procedures, required documentation, associated fees, and post-approval steps to update your identification records. Guide content. Understanding the legal name change process. A legal name change is a formal process that alters your name on all legal documents and identification. This is different from assuming a spouse's surname after marriage, which doesn't require a legal name change. Eligibility criteria. Residency. Applicants must be residents of Alberta and continue residing in the province throughout the name change process. Age requirements. Individuals under 18 can apply if they are legally married, in an adult interdependent relationship, a parent or a guardian of a child. Application process. Step 1. Obtain and review the information guide. Start by reading the Change of Name Information Guide to understand the process and requirements. Step 2. Complete the application form. Fill out the Application for Change of Name form accurately. Ensure all sections are completed as per the instructions. Step 3. Required documents include acceptable government-issued identification, proof of current name, for example, birth certificate, electronic fingerprint confirmation letter, criminal record check, or police information check. Additional documents may be needed, such as proof of marital status or proof of relationship if changing a child's name. Step 4. Submit the application. Visit an Alberta Registry Agent office to submit your application along with all supporting documents. Associated fees and processing time. Government fee. A standard fee of $120 applies for processing the name change application. Additional fees. Registry agents may charge service fees, and there may be costs associated with obtaining fingerprints and criminal record checks. Processing duration. The process can take approximately 4 to 12 weeks, depending on the completeness of the application and any additional documentation required. Fingerprinting and criminal record check. Applicants aged 12 and older must provide an electronic fingerprint confirmation letter. This can be obtained from accredited fingerprinting agencies. A criminal record check or police information check is also required. Contact local law enforcement agencies or accredited service providers for this service. Publication requirement. In some cases, you may be required to publish a notice of your intended name change in the Alberta Gazette. However, this requirement can be waived under certain circumstances, such as concerns for personal safety. Post-approval steps. Obtain a change of name certificate. Once approved, you can order a change of name certificate for a $20 government fee, plus any additional service fees charged by the registry agent. Update personal identification. After receiving your change of name certificate, update your identification documents, including driver's license and social insurance number, healthcare card, banking information. For Canadian passports, you must apply for a new passport under your new name. Special considerations. Indigenous name reclamation. Residential school survivors and their descendants can reclaim their Indigenous names at no cost. Contact Vital Statistics for more information. Married individuals. In Alberta, you do not need to legally change your name after marriage to assume your spouse's surname. Presenting your marriage certificate is typically sufficient for updating most personal records. Transgender individuals. Alberta allows individuals to change their legal gender marker without requiring surgery. A statement confirming your gender identity and a supporting letter from a physician or psychologist are necessary. Additional resources. Alberta Vital Statistics. For detailed information and access to application forms, visit the alberta.ca website. Registry agents. Registry agents can provide guidance and assist with the application process. Locate a registry agent near you through the alberta.ca website. By following these detailed steps and ensuring all requirements are met, you can successfully navigate the legal name change process in Alberta. It's advisable to contact local registry agents or Vital Statistics for any specific questions or clarifications. Like this video if you found it helpful. Comment below if you have any questions. Subscribe for more Alberta guides and tips. Thanks for watching.